Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Vision. So today we are doing the unboxing of a ThinkPad laptop, such as ThinkPad Lenovo laptop, and which model that is exactly. That is ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 8 laptop. Alright, so just to note, not to forget that this laptop comes with i7 processor, to be precisely that is i7-10510U processor, 1.8 GHz. Okay, so let's open up the laptop and see how it is boxed. So it is really, as you can see, it's really securely boxed. So it's kind of a plastic shield, you can say, of actually cover. I don't know what you call that exactly. And okay, so there is the laptop itself. As you can see that the laptop itself is boxed, or it is inside another box, and this is amazing. This box is black and red, and you can see the ThinkPad logo, and the X1, and the logo of the Lenovo on the side as well. That's quite amazing. So yeah, I like how they pack actually the laptop. Okay, so let's see what else we got inside the box. Okay, I'm assuming it is a charger. Oh yes, so first thing first, European cable. Okay, so and that is a USB-C internet adapter and USB-C power adapter. Yeah, amazing that even ThinkPad is keeping up with other brands like for example like Apple, which introduced on the MacBooks USB-C power adapters, and also followed by HP and Dell. Okay, so let's open up that box as well, and let's see, and I assume that then is it we can actually discover the laptop setup. Okay, so I've just tried to open up the plastic, but actually you need to actually cut out the plastic totally. Okay, so yeah, I'm actually amazed why they're using like too much plastic. Everyone should actually think about the environment. But anyway, maybe that's the reason that you want to have this laptop so securely. Okay, so you see the X1 logo on this box. It's amazing. Okay, wow, the laptop is still got another sleeve, so it's plastic sleeve is inside another plastic sleeve. Yeah, so as you can see, that laptop is really thin and got some USB ports, USB-C ports, power jack, HDMI. What else is there? So we will talk about this things later on. So let's open up the laptop, remove actually that sleeve. Okay, or first see what we got here. Alright, so first thing first, it is the setup guide. Let's open up what we got here. Okay, so that is some information about the laptop, the camera, all the stuff. Okay, I think we can skip that part. That is actually the guarantee card, how to register your laptop. Okay, so that's the only two things what's inside that box. So let's put that on side and open up the laptop. Okay, for time being that I will open up and I will talk a little bit about this laptop. So as I mentioned, this laptop comes with 16 GB DDR3 RAM. It is onboard RAM, so you cannot actually upgrade that one, unfortunately. So 1 TB SSD, M2 SSD, and it comes with 3-year. Comes with 3-year warranty. Excuse me. All right, so let's talk about this laptop again. Yeah, so actually that matte. Yeah, so that's a very thin laptop, and it is black matte color. It feels amazing. Okay, so what we got here is SIM tray. So in case you want to use a SIM card, you need to eject it and then insert the SIM card. Another nice thing about this laptop is actually the edges. The edges are not from plastic, but they are metallic edges. That's amazing. So what we have here is one USB-C Alright, and then we got USB-C Thunderbolt 3 and the network extension for internet or mechanical site docking. Okay, so that is actually the adapter you can use for internet if you want to plug it in. Alright, and then we got USB 3.1 and HDMI, and then we got combined headphone microphone connection. That is amazing. And then one more USB-C and the Kingston lock place, so you can securely actually lock your laptop. You see the X1 logo. It's amazing. Let's open up the laptop. People, excuse me that I didn't notice actually that my camera was out of focus, so you can clearly see the laptop. Unfortunately, you cannot see it very clearly. So my excuses for that. So you got two speakers of Dolby Atmos. It's nice. It feels, you know, the laptop itself. I'm just holding this laptop. It's really light. It is very nice. Okay, so let's talk about the webcam. But I have noticed that the webcam of this laptop is some kind of lock. Actually, it will block the camera, so it will cover up the webcam. So if in case you're in a meeting and you wanna cover it, you can just close it. Alright, so let's talk about the screen. That is 14 Full HD IPS anti-glare LED backlit screen. Okay guys, so I will be not talking too much about this laptop. I will be not giving any review because I still need to work on this laptop, and I will be creating another video about giving some review about this laptop. As right now I need to install some customized application on this laptop. And if you're interested for full description of this laptop, I will be putting that in the description of this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And once again, excuses that sometimes my camera is out of the focus. Thank you and have a great day.